pretty. What is it?
Lizard.
Is it a Pokemon?
No.
No. And it's made out of
Plasticine, but we're
Plasticine.
using clay.
plasticine.
There's probably 5 on the back, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And I've colored this white plasticine for it. And we used food dye. With blue, got pink,
Yeah, you can see all the blue
got
in your
some
gloves.
greens.
Yeah, you can see all the blue in your gloves.
And what have you already made? What have you already
I
done?
have already made this tongue,
Oh,
and I'm just in the middle of making
So,
it.
oh,
And I'm in
let
the
me
middle
see.
of making other things.
oh, tongue. And then you're making those spikes. Let's have a look at the spikes.
I'm gonna make
Oh.
one more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
And they
7,
come.
9,
How many spikes?
10. I'm guessing
10.
10.
And they come from biggest to smallest.
Yes.
Pretty good. Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
That's all the spikes done. Now, for me, I think this is gonna be the hardest part.
Ha.
This body.
Got it. I think you can do it.
You're gonna do all of these. That's probably gonna be the body. That'll probably be the body. Got to shape this into the legs.
Very creative there.
Should I do 2 or 3?
3 what?
Like, of them? Like, you know how it's got the lines? Should I do 2 or 3?
For the toes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can make 3.
Yeah, I'll make 3. Probably look better with 3. Hold on, I'm just gonna redo this.
Okay. So, what have you done so far?
I have done 3 legs, and I've just made my mind up. I'm actually just gonna do 2 toes.
Show me.
There's the back ones.
Amazing.
These are the front ones.
Oh, awesome.
Hopefully, this mouth is not gonna be too hard. So the eyes will be there, nostrils and mouth. Do the line again.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I've got the mouse pretty good. I'm just gonna go grab something real quick.
Oh, awesome. Oh my goodness. You've got the tongue already in it.
Kenna, do you remember where them toothpicks are?
Yes, it's just there.
There.
Hang on a second.
I'll take the.
Oh,
Thank you.
okay, well, this.
I need the one. 'Cause
You can
I
open
just
the lid.
need one toothpick. Somehow I got 2 out.
What do you need a toothpick for?
I'll show you. the nostrils.
Oh. Cool.
There's the nostrils.
Oh yeah. Very good. Pause again.
No.
No, keep going.
Yeah, we'll just keep going for a second. Don't need that anymore, I don't think.
What are you making now?
The tail.
You know, I can find some real eyes in my craft thing,
Nah.
and we can put real, like, you know, those real eyes.
Not googly eyes, no.
Yeah, the googly eyes.
No, not googly eyes.
Why not?
It's probably not googly eyes.
I think it'd be cool with the googly eyes.
Bro, it'll just be like this all the time.
No, you
Or
won't.
it'll be looking down like this.
Oh, I haven't got a black. No, black. We can paint it black.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Alright,
Paint it black.
So cool. Awesome.
I don't know how this is gonna hold up.
We need a thicker one. Oh, yeah.
You wanna know what I should have done first?
What?
The spikes on.
Good.
Okay, this will go.
Now you can put the spikes after.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now, probably I'll leave one foot. Go over there. Okay, ready. No, my spikes.
No, put the spikes in first. So you put the spikes in the tail first,
Yes.
and you're attaching it.
Yes. Please work.
Awesome.
Yes.
Yes.
Woohoo!
Ooh.
Now we've just got to do a pretty hard part. The
Wait,
legs.
what's the hard part?
The legs. Trying to put the legs on.
I like the tongue of it.
Do you? 1, 2. We can just put 2.
Yeah, that's exactly right. You don't need the other one.
But then
You don't need the other
I
ones.
like it like this.
Oh, yeah? You can do that.
Now, last thing we've got to do is the eyes.
Oh, yes. Awesome. Let me go turn around. Let me
Maybe
go and
take
just
the
check.
tail like that.
That's all right. The tail doesn't need to go up.
Yeah.
Just, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I'm trying to fix the tail. That's what I'm trying to do.
You can just put like another stand on this so that the tail goes up a bit.
Oh wait, should we do I'm trying to look for something good to use.
You can put something on the back.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to make this tail stay like that.
Yeah, like a stand. Awesome.
Now we've just got to do the eyes.
Look at that.
Probably see you guys after.
See you guys after.
While we
It's coming along well.
I'm gonna paint.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you in a minute. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Oh.
Is this the last part of it?
Nearly, but then I'm gonna have to grab this blue again and then do the like wrap around thing.
Right.
Gotta be paint, I'm guessing. I did not know I'm this good at crafting until today.
Very good.
And yeah, as you can see, we changed the big one for the little one. Imagine if we did make it one-eyed.
I like the tongue.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're putting there.
I'm just doing the finishing touch. Then we might let it dry for, I don't know, like an hour or two.
You do it. This way.
Perfect amount.
Perfect.
We'll see
Kaboom.
you in about an hour or two.
I like the the nose.
Of course you do.
Look. Oh yeah. Awesome.
I'm pretty happy with that.
Yeah. What are we gonna call that little monster?
Gerald.
Gerald. Hello, Gerald.
Gerald.
How you going, Gerald? Awesome. Good work, Sunny. Sunny. Good work.
This took like
What?
half an hour, 45 minutes.
Yeah, it does. But half an hour, 45
I think
minutes
my
of fun.
favorite are the spikes.
You do?
Yeah.
What's so good about the spikes?
I just think they're cool.
You reckon?
Yeah, hopefully.
So we're just gonna air dry it, and hopefully the tail will stay up
Yeah, hopefully.
from that position. But look at that. I just really like the tongue. Look at the cracks that you put in it. It just almost looks like a nice tongue. And the toe.
Look at the back.
What back?
No, like the spike.
The spikes. Oh yeah. Like
You
the
see
spikes.
why I like them?
Yeah.
And this is where we're just gonna put all of the other leftovers. We might do something.
We can do something else. We see what you can find out on
Yeah.
Mr. Google.
Mr. Google.
All right. Thundering.